Now for these questions, we're adding or subtracting whole numbers and fractions. So first, we have 3 plus 3/7. So that's 3 wholes and 3/7. So our answer is just 3 and 3/7. When we're adding a fraction to a whole number, we just get a mixed number with the whole number and the fraction next to each other. So adding a fraction to a whole number is fairly simple, but subtracting a fraction from a whole number is slightly trickier. So first, we have 1 minus 1/4. So we can show the 1 whole that we start with, but to subtract 1/4, we need to change this 1 whole into 4 quarters. So then, when we subtract 1/4, we get 3/4 as our answer, because 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is 1 minus 2/5? Again, we can show 1 whole, but to subtract 2/5, we need to split that 1 whole into 5/5. So when we take 2/5 away, that leaves us with 3/5 as our answer, because 5 minus 2 is 3, and the denominator of the fraction that we were subtracting stays the same. Now we have 4, so 4 wholes, and we need to subtract 7/8. Now to do that, we need to change one of our wholes into eighths. So now, rather than thinking of 4 as 4 wholes, we can think of it as 3 wholes and then 8/8. So now we can take 7/8 away, and that leaves us with 3 wholes and 1/8. So 3 and 1/8. Now we have 4, so 4 wholes, and we need to subtract 1/4. But again, we're going to need to change one of our wholes into 4 quarters in order to subtract. So we can think of 4 as being 3 wholes and 4 quarters. So now, when we subtract 1/4, we have 3 wholes and 3 quarters as our answer. And notice this question is quite similar to the question above. If we know that 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4, then we know that 4 minus 1/4 must be 3 and 3/4, because 4 is 3 more than 1. Finally, we have 3 minus 2/5, and again you can see it's similar to the question above. With 3, we have 3 wholes, but to subtract 2/5, we need to change one of our wholes into 5/5, so we can think of the number 3 as being 2 wholes and 5/5. So now, when we take 2/5 away, we get 2 and 3/5 as our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.